Hello, singing taxi driver travels here again. Just coming back from Whitehaven. Just took a doctor to the hospital out there. Really humid day today. Clammy. It's been clammy all weekend. Just wish this rain would set off. It's just non-stop. I want me dry, sunny weather back. It's another tractor. Let me wipe my camera down. There we go. Tractor driver city this road. Tractors are currently doing the silage, and I think so there's a lot of them about. I remember when I first started doing these videos, it was like lovely and sunny for weeks. Oh, he's got the car line, isn't he? Oh, he's not. Oh, goody. Bye bye. I guess I've got a crab and prawn like in a bun today, because it's just opened this little place. It's just in a little hut thing just outside the Wrangler. I thought I'll give it a little go. Just absolutely just disgusting. The filling was lovely, but it was just the buns were like just so dry, like out of date almost. It'd be interesting to see what the wife's was like, because she had one as well. If you're in the public eye, you've got to sell quality food. I don't care what anybody says. Like, I think it's important to give them feedback and say, mind you, I had that one last time and the bread was like really dry. You'd let them know. See, the vehicles have got the lights on again. Yeah, I didn't do much at the weekend. I cleaned the rabbits out and that, but it was just so hot, humid and heavy. I was just like tired, lethargic, just makes you not want to do anything. It's 21 degrees going here, it's now 16 degrees going back. And here we are, back in Carlisle Village. I love driving out here, it's so relaxing. It can get a bit tiring, but I do enjoy the journeys out in the city. now, back in the city territory, so it probably won't take long till I get a job coming through.
Just drifting wide, and it is quite frustrating. Yeah, we can see it. We've got to the side of the commentary box. We can see it.
Sky's full of it.
There's umbrellas in the distance that are flapping, but Tsitsipas proving unflappable on serving.
Going camping in 2 weeks, the weather better sort itself out for that.
And for the moment, Gigi, this is
Going at the end of July.
his control. Let's get some early news with Russell from Cornwall.
Where we're on serve, Gigi in the first set between Aryna Sabalenka, the Australian Open champion, and Ekaterina Alexandrova, who is the 21st seed and ranked 22nd player. 2 games all named Brody, and nothing much between them at the moment. Alexandrova looks pretty tiny from the back of the court.
Yeah, both of them do, don't they? Sabalenka's just wrestling her opponent at the moment to stay on that front foot, to be the one to get the big first hit in the rally, and being helped out by a huge serve there out wide on the outside of pushing 12 miles an hour. But so far for Alexandrova, she isn't looking like she's going to be on course to break her 91. Of course, there is a one-match record that she set earlier in this tour.
There's a huge low pressure system, it's just circling. In the southwest, it's massive, it is just circulating, dumping just crap on us all the time. There's a job coming. Where's this going to? Ellesmere way to Middleton Street.
Novak Djokovic. I've never seen so many keeps up to about 100, but he's comfortable in game number 4 of set number 4 at 30 love. So back to court 2 break points.
This is the estate of Morton.
For Christopher Eubanks, the 27-year-old slices the backhand return. The forehand to Tsitsipas takes the forehand up the line. The slice backhand from Eubanks. He creeps in behind it. It's a passing winner though from Tsitsipas, who roars like a lion. And actually he roars about 3 times there. Tsitsipas navigating that tough moment. Annabelle, as you were saying just previously, it's tough conditions as he gets to deuce. Oh, that was tight, that point. Oh my goodness, Eubanks didn't do anything wrong. In fact, he really asked the question there. Came in on a beautiful slice. It was nip and tuck, but Tsitsipas finding the passing shot.
So careful when the kids are getting out of school. Just run from behind these cars.
He's just come up with another really good point to turn it from break point now to game point. And this is edgy. The crowd are really enjoying it. Electric atmosphere out here. Another big serve down the tee from Tsitsipas. He's serving at advantage cross court.
Susie Moore.
So that is quite the game for Tsitsipas to sneak through. It rocked like a seesaw, but as we leave this one for the time being, Gigi, 4-3, Tsitsipas leads on serve. Thank you very much. Game points for Novak Djokovic in the 4th game of the 4th set, leading Hubert Hurkacz by 2 sets to 1. Yet to drop a point on serve in this set. Djokovic looking to make it 2 clean holds of serve, which Greg Rosetsky he does.
Well, he does, he's just kind of getting that sort of laser beam look on. I'm just not going to drop any points on serve. I'm going to try to take my opportunities. I'm going to be a little bit more disciplined because he doesn't want this match to go the distance, because Hurkacz is a different player.
Chap eating his ice lolly on his bike.
He's willing to go after him.
Is it nice lolly?
When he's relaxed, he can play good tennis
Oh no,
and beat anybody
looks like a
behind
cereal
his
bar.
nerves and handling the pressure and the expectation. And that's what Djokovic is hoping. A little bit of a blink like he did last night in the opening 2 sets.
Djokovic is the 4-time defending champion. He's the 7-time champion. He's looking for Grand Slam singles title number 24 to equal Margaret Court's all-time record as he swings at the forehand cross court. The net is found by some of the ridiculous numbers, looking for 14th Wimbledon quarterfinal and a 56th Grand Slam quarterfinal.
I mean, the numbers with these big 3 with Djokovic, Federer, Dell are insane. I mean, we're not going to see that for any big generation. What I like about Djokovic is he's got his
Proper built-up area this in Carlisle.
breaking down the Hurkacz forehand. Last few points, every shot went that direction. And I expect Djokovic to move up on the second serve, get closer, and try to make him lose his confidence on that side.
At 15, 2-all, 4th set. The serve kicks up. There's a lot of kick on that serve.
We've got a thing on our system where we can ring them in advance.
Down so high.
Let them know we're just about outside.
Hard. It's just because we've had that beautiful sunny
And here we are.
leading into the championships that's created the court to be so hard and so bouncy.
So there we go. We'll catch you later.